Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Panasonic's latest product announcements for its Lumix S full-frame mirrorless camera ecosystem, covering new hardware offerings and substantial software updates. Key highlights. Lumix S9 Titanium Gold US launch. The compact, 24.2 megapixel Lumix S9 is now available in the United States in a limited edition, titanium gold finish, paired with a matching 18 to 40 mm SF/4.5-6.3 kit lens. The launch includes a promotional offer until December 27, 2025, featuring a $300 instant rebate and a free Lumix S 26mm f/8 lens. New Lumix Adventure Kits. Panasonic introduced new Lumix Adventure Kits for the S1R II, S1R II, S5 II, and S5 IIX cameras. These kits bundle the body with the faster and smaller Lumix S 24 to 60mm f/2.8 zoom lens, providing a new, more affordable professional option. These kits begin shipping in mid-November and include a bundled SanDisk Extreme Pro portable SSD until December 27, 2025. Software and firmware updates. Lumix Lab App 2.0 adds the Magic LUT feature, an AI-powered tool that allows users to create custom color profiles, LUTs, by analyzing an uploaded reference image, supporting files from any camera. Lumix Flow App 1.3, updated for the S5 II, S5 IIX, and GH7, introducing professional workflow enhancements like LUT View Assist and improved AF frame display. General firmware, updates for multiple cameras, S5 II, S5 IIX, S9, GH7, G9 II, improve startup time and enhance the customization options for the focus ring on select Lumix S lenses. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.